Picture yourself in the 2023 Nissan ARIYA. You deserve a ride that was designed with your needs in mind. The time is right to take advantage of the technology, performance, and creature comforts this vehicle has to offer. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, head-up display, pre-collision system, panoramic roof, lane departure warning, navigation system, sun, moonroof, keyless entry, satellite radio, heated mirrors. This vehicle offers the ride you want and the value you need. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.